This is a Lego arcade machine. It has an awesome look on the outside and even a little bedroom inside. While this set is cool on its own, you know what would make it even better? If it actually worked and could play a game. Well, today, I'm going to be doing just that. First things first, let's tear out the inside of this machine. I'm going to be using these tread link pieces with alternating 1x6 and 2x6 plates attached as the screen. This will let me make it scroll just like one of these space arcade games. I'm also going to use these tiles as a guide to keep the tread from sagging in the middle. With that part ironed out, there's another function I'd like to add: coin activation. My plan was to use a small arm that would press into the button on this battery box when a coin was inserted. All of these mechanisms inside meant I needed to make the machine longer by 2 studs. At first I was a little skeptical at how it would turn out looking, but I don't think it made too much of a visible difference. While all of these things weren't too difficult to make, motorizing it on the other hand was not easy. I think that might have been a little bit too fast there. Yeah, I think maybe a little bit too fast. Since the screen needs to be relatively slow to even be remotely playable, it meant I needed to incorporate a gear ratio. The problem was there was no room left inside to fit everything I needed. So after a lot of thought and testing, I eventually settled on using a worm gear to gear down the screen speed and mounting the motor on the rear. Now there's the matter of player controls. A common method I've seen for arcade machine builds like this is to use a steering wheel with a gear rack for player controls. That works fine if it's a racing game, but I figured a much better control method for a space game like this is a joystick. So I made a small joystick and arm that this spaceship can attach to, and I modified the bottom of the bezel to fit it under. Okay, everything's complete, let's check it out. I had a ton of fun working with the set and modifying it, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing if you want to see more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.